Puras na, nukaw. Ala, rampar. Basta na, ala. Candidate number 1. Cheryl Torres. Ang feeling wow, looking wow, ng bot taga ni Enra. Wow, boobs. Sa ilusanag. Talent portion. Giing karot-karot. Sang dakong kamot. Ang dugang mo. Ala, laban, ala. Kanta mo yan? Question. If you are given a chance to go back in your past, what are the things you want to change? Ala.
If I'm given a chance to change in the past, my body.
Why your body, Miss Porras?
Because I'm so big, but crazy.
Why do you want to change your body?
Because it's so chubby.
Production number tapos ron. Tapos mo na question and answer. Talent portion! Ala! Sige, mo dyan? Doon check ka man?
Chong.
Nauya tayo naman pakita sa tawara ka man na video na sobra pa yung samaan. Ala Sada na po yan. Please, importante sige. Hindi ko share. May garanto akong show na.
I'm finished already.
Oy! Wala pa gani ang awarding!
Yes.
That's all?